Wow, I can't believe it. Do we really have to leave already?
Yeah, our airship leaves in an hour. We need to check out.
All right, let's go see Alara at the front desk.
Good morning, Luna and Finn. Did you sleep well?
Yes, the cloud beds were amazing. We'd like to check out, please.
Certainly. I'll take your room keys. That was room 707, the Skyview suite, correct?
That's right. The rainbow was right outside our window.
I'm glad to hear that. Let me prepare your bill.
We didn't use the minibar, I believe.
Actually, I might have had one Stardust cookie.
Luna, was that last night?
Let me check. Yes, I see one Stardust cookie here. Here is your bill. Please check the details.
Thank you. Let's see.
Room charge, service fee, and the cookie charge.
Excuse me, what is this charge for dragon transfer?
Oh, I booked that. I thought it would be fun to ride a dragon to the port.
You didn't want the regular shuttle bus? It's expensive.
The dragon's back is very comfortable, Finn.
Well, all right. It is a special trip, after all.
The total amount looks correct.
Thank you. How would you like to pay?
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept both surface cards and magic crystals.
Does it sparkle if we pay with a crystal?
Card, please. Is this terminal the right one?
Yes, tap it right there.
Payment complete.
Payment confirmed. Here is your receipt. Nimbus will help you with your luggage.
Did someone call? Nimbus is here.
Nimbus, good to see you again.
Good morning. Are these your bags?
Yes, they are heavy, so please be careful.
Leave it to me. Fluffy spell.
Wow, the bags are floating. Magic is so convenient.
I will take them to the dragon landing pad.
Finn, Luna, how was your stay with us?
It was truly wonderful, especially the food.
I love the flying swimming pool the most.
We look forward to welcoming you back again soon.
Oops, the wind is strong outside. Watch your hats.
Thanks, Nimbus. Shall we go, Luna?
Yeah, goodbye, Laura.
Take care. Have a safe trip.
This way. The dragon is waiting.
Wow, it's really huge.
So cool. I can't wait to ride it.
I'll put your bags in the dragon's basket.
Here is a tip. Thank you, Nimbus.
Oh, thank you very much. It's an honor.
Bye, Nimbus. Stay well.
Enjoy your flight through the sky.
We're taking off. The air tastes so fresh.
This is the best. We absolutely have to come back to the Sky Castle.
Agreed. Let's save up more money for next time.
Agreed.
Hello, everyone. It's time for today's review.
Do you remember what to say in English when leaving a hotel?
This is the most important phrase.
I'd like to check out, please.
I'd like to is a polite way to say I want to.
You can also simply say, check out, please. It works too.
Next is a phrase for payment.
How do you say, can I use a credit card in English?
It is, do you accept credit cards? Accept means to receive or take.
You can also show the card and say, can I use this?
What should you do if there is a mistake on the bill?
You should ask, what is this charge for?
What is this charge for? Use to check.
Like the cookie I ate.
Finally, when handing over luggage,
Could you help me with my bags?
Using could you makes the request polite.
Did everyone memorize that?
See you next time at the Sky Castle.
goodbye.